and welcome back to part 3 of our VR series. My name is Lisa and today my colleague Paul will give you a step-by-step demonstration of the VR training prototype for the confectionery industry. The VR application runs on Oculus Go, Oculus Rift and Oculus Quest 1 and 2. Great hardware at an affordable price. In this specific scenario, Paul is about to show you trainees complete realistic tasks in a virtual environment and learn how to cook a candy mass using the vacuum cooker.
Hey, now let's start the application by joining the training server, allowing instructors to supervise us. To start the training, just go to the starting point and click Start. Pressing the A button on the Oculus controller will open the main menu. The current task and a breakdown of its steps gets displayed. For quick access to the current task, twist your right wrist. In the first task, we need to turn the machine on. Now we need to collect water and pour it into the cooker. We need to open the steam valve until the water comes to the boiling point, where bubbles start to raise. After closing the steam valve, we open the needle valve and let the water fall into the bottom vessel. We set the cooking temperature to 142 degrees Celsius and fill the cooking vessel with the water needed in the candy recipe. We start the agitator on slow velocity, add sugar and open the steam valve to start the heating process. Let's add glucose syrup and raise the agitator speed to high velocity. About 10 degrees Celsius before reaching the end cooking temperature, we pick up a top container to collect the hot water from bottom vessel. The vessel must be coated with wax. Start the vacuum pump and switch the vacuum breaker. Open the water for the vacuum pump. As we fix the bottom vessel to the upper cooking vessel, the vacuum starts to raise. Now we need to adjust the level of vacuum to our specific value. When our final temperature, 142 degrees Celsius, is reached, we close the steam valve and open the condensate valve. We turn off the agitator and open the needle valve to let the cooking mass into the lower vessel. As part of the vacuum has been lost while opening the needle valve, it must be readjusted. We close the needle valve when the mass is through and break the vacuum when the vacuum time is achieved. We close the water supply of the vacuum pump and stop it. Finally, we add flavor, color and acid to our cooked mass and pour it into a wax-coated top container. Our candy mass is ready and the training was successful. To repeat the training session, just reset it in the main menu and start all over again. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.